Hey, what's up, YouTube? I am Henry Vernon from ACC Driving School. I am here at a Broward County, Florida location, and I am being very specific when I say Broward County because I get calls from all over Florida with people watching the videos and thinking I am close by. I am in Broward County, which is closer to Miami. So if you're in Tampa or Orlando or Jacksonville or any of the places up North Florida, I am way south, right? I'm in South Florida. So just so you know that. As far as what I have available, I have the 4-hour, the 8-hour, the 12-hour traffic ticket classes on the website. I have the first time driver 4-hour class on the website. I have the written tests and the 4-hour class for people under 18 that needs to do the test. Just go to the website accdriverseducation.com. That is accdriverseducation.com. I also have the third-party driving test available. If you want to take the third-party driving test, you can call me at 954-588-8075. Again, that is 954-588-8075. Alright, so I'm going to run through the driving test with a student here. How are you doing? Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Okay, so we've been practicing. So she doesn't know what to do. She's still a little nervous, but, we're going to run through it. And by the way, check out my other YouTube channel. That is ACC Driving School, this channel. Sequence Sound, my music channel. And Exotic Car Culture if you're into cars. Alright, so let's go through what they're going to ask you. They're going to ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
To the left.
What else do you do?
Put the car in park, and then you lift up the handbrake. Yes, and switch off the ignition.
Okay, go ahead. Do your turn signal. Signal left. Signal right. Blow the horn. Press and release the brake. Okay. So they're checking your brake lights, your turn signal lights, your horn, and they will not take you out in a car if any of those things are not working, right? You have to have your brake lights, your turn signal lights, and your horn. So they'll be sitting outside. They'll be standing outside checking all of these things while, before they start the test. Then they'll get in the car. They'll tell you basically to listen and follow instruction, right? And then they'll say, all right, let's do it. Reverse and go to the left. So let's do that. Reverse. You're going to look behind you. Put it in reverse. Remember, reverse is, you can see it up here when it's in reverse. Look behind and roll straight back. When your mirror is past the end of the line, you turn all the way right. Turn the wheel, look behind. Always look behind now. Okay, that's good enough. Put it back in drive. And go to the stop sign. We're making a left turn at the stop sign. We'll turn the wheel. Alright, signal left. Stop completely. 1, 2, 3. Alright, we're gonna go to the stop sign right here. We're gonna make a left turn. So just make sure you're staying in your right lane. Maximum speed here is about 10, so don't go flying through the parking lot. Stop completely. 1, 2, 3. Make sure it's clear on both sides. Go ahead and make your left turn. We're gonna go down into the end of the road here, and then we're going to make the left turn. Like here, you don't need to signal, right? Because it's not.
Oh, okay.
You're just going around a corner. All right, go ahead and make a right turn by the big tree. soon as you go around this corner, you're gonna stop. Make sure you're straight here before you stop, right?
Yes.
Because now they're gonna tell you to speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. So go ahead, speed up to 20, sudden stop, and stop. Make sure you're straight when you stop. So when they tell you to reverse, you can go straight back. Alright, look behind and roll straight back. Okay. Look behind, roll back. Keep the wheel straight. Don't turn the wheel. If you turn the wheel, you're gonna mess it up. Keep going. Okay, that's good. Put it back in drive. I'm gonna go down to the end and make a left. Okay, we're gonna park in between the cones. Make sure you're signaling, yes. Okay, put it in reverse. Okay, as soon as you pass the cone, you're going to turn all the way right. Keep looking behind you. When your mirror is past the middle, this middle line here, you're going to stop about there. Put it back in drive, signal left again. You're going to pull up next to the line on the right side because we're going to do the 3-point turn. Okay, we're going to stop here, signal left, turn all the way left. Okay, put it back in reverse again, all the way right. And again, you're gonna reverse until your mirror is past the middle, like right there. Okay, put it back in drive, signal left again, and turn. We're gonna go to the stop sign here, and we're gonna make the left turn. So you're gonna come to a complete stop. 1, 2, 3. Make sure it's clear on both sides, and go ahead and make your left turn. We're gonna go all the way down to the end. Make a left turn. DMV line is not so bad today. They've changed the system, so now that they have walk-ins on Monday, that seems to be helping because now the line is not so ridiculous. That's great. Okay, go ahead and make your left turn again. So when you come back from the test, whatever space is available over here,
I can occupy.
they'll tell you to park here. So you just follow instructions. Stay closer to your right side always. And then go ahead and park. Straighten up. And stop. Put in park. Now tell me, how you think you did?
I think I did good.
You did really good. You did well actually. If
I'm
you
just
do it like that, you'll pass your test. So
Okay.
you gotta forget the nervousness.
Yeah.
All right. So anyway, that's it for the driving test. We covered everything on the test. So I'm gonna ask you guys to subscribe to my other YouTube channels if you haven't already. That would be Sequence Sound and Exotic Car Culture. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, then I'm asking you please to subscribe. That would be ACC Driving School. This one, the channel you're on. And again, we have the 4, the 8, the 12-hour traffic ticket classes available on the website, accdriverseducation.com. And if you want the third-party tests, call me up at 954-588-8075. Again, that is 954-588-8075. I thank you for watching. Say goodbye to the camera.
Please subscribe. Thank you. Thank you so much.
All right. Bye-bye.